Praia de Carcavelos is one of the biggest and most popular beaches near Lisbon. People love sunbathing, playing sports, and surfing here.
The water looks amazing today.
Oh, I know, I'm ready to jump in.
Hold on, let me just grab my towel. This spot looks perfect.
I can't wait to jump in the water. The water looks amazing.
Yeah, it's the perfect temperature.
Yeah. Let's go all the way in.
Almost done. We can't have you burning on the first day.
Thanks, ladies. This feels amazing.
Don't mention it. The water feels amazing. It's so warm once you get past the waves. Let's go all the way out. Here it comes. Oh my gosh, that was huge. Let's go again. Look at her splashing everywhere. Hey, it is too warm not to splash a little. She is absolutely right. It feels wonderful. This water feels so refreshing. Yeah. It really is. I could stay here all day. Let's go out a little further.
Hey ladies, we are starting a game of beach volleyball. Would you like to join us?
Yes, absolutely. Let's play.
Watch the deep shot.
I got it. Mine. Mine. Set it up. Yeah! Take it. Mine. Set me up for the spike. We have to try the strawberry cheesecake swirl. It looks incredible. Oh yes, and the coconut crunch looks really good too. Yeah. Let's get both.
This is the best ice cream I have had. It tastes like summer back home.
It is so good.
I love the flavor.
This feels so good after swimming. I know, the sand was everywhere. The water's perfect temperature too. Okay, I think I got all the sand off my shoulders. Finally. My hair feels so much better now. Let's dry off and get some food.
What an amazing way to end the day, being at the ocean at sunset. This is so beautiful. I love you guys.